Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. In my hands I have the Casio HDC-700 and I'm gonna show you how to set the time and date on this watch. So let's get started. First setting is done without entering the settings menu. It's done from the standard timekeeping mode, so the mode when the watch basically tells the time. It is switching between 12 or 24-hour time format. And that is done by pressing the lower right button. As you can see, I'm shuffling between 12, 24-hour time format. Now let's enter the settings menu. It is done by pressing and holding the upper left button until you hear the beep and the seconds begin to flash. So let's go, press and hold, and there it is. This means that we are in the position of setting our seconds value. You cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset them to 0 simply by pressing the lower right button. And the seconds are went to 0 for a brief second there. Now let's press the mode button as we move on to setting our DST value. Currently, it's flashing on, which means that the DST value is turned on. So press the lower right button to shuffle between DST value on or off. In my time zone, DST is currently turned on, so I'm gonna leave it at on. Next up, I'm gonna press the mode button, and I'm in the position of setting my hour value. Number 23 is flashing, but I can change it by pressing the right button and this button over here. So this button to increase it and the light button to decrease the value. In my time zone, it is 22 o'clock, so I'm gonna tune it to 22. Next up, press the mode button and the minutes begin to flash. Again, procedure is the same, pressing the lower right button increases and the light button decreases the minutes value. In my time zone, it is 32 minutes, so I'm gonna leave it at that. Once I've done with my minutes value, I'm gonna press the mode button and we have 2024 flashing. This means that we are in the position of setting our year value. Again, procedure is the same, press lower right button to increase or light button to decrease the value. Once we have set our year value, I'm going to press the mode button and flashing moves on to my month value. Again, procedure is the same, press the lower right or light button to shuffle between corresponding number. Number 10 corresponds to month of October. Once we have set our month value, I'm going to press the mode button and flashing moves on to number 23. This is our day value. To shuffle the day value, press the lower right button or light button. And once you have set your year value, press the mode button. Seconds are flashing, which means that we have ran through the cycle of setting the time and date on this watch. To implement the settings, simply press the upper left button once, and the watch has now implemented all of those settings. Now we see that the analog time does not correspond to our digital time. If that is the case, like it is on this watch, I'll be posting a video on my channel on how to set it. Anyway, thanks for watching. And if you are into watch-related content, please subscribe. So thank you.